Hi families, it's Teacher Melissa. I just wanted to check in with you about how to use a core board or communication board. We use communication or core boards because they are really the best way to give kiddos visual supports that they need to learn language. They're a visual representation of language and they're organized in a very specific way. It helps children who have language delay visualize and understand language. So there are a few things to remember when using a core board. So if at all possible, which I know that it can be hard, try to always have your communication board available. So if you need more copies or you would like to make copies of this one, you are welcome to do so. But the more that we can have exposure to the core board in our home setting or classroom setting, the more successful that we are in building communication. When you go to practice the core board, try to find something that's motivating. So you want to find that special toy or that favorite video on YouTube, whatever it may be, but find something that's motivating to your child because that helps increase the success of communication when using the board. So the other thing that you'll want to do is you'll want to start by choosing a word that you want to practice. So for example, want may be the word that you choose. And so you could just start there and start with want, turn, or help. Maybe it's help if they need help getting a lid off or they need help opening something, you can start with that word help. So pick one word and that's where I would start. The last thing, and you'll see in the video, is that you need to pause and wait for that turn-taking exchange when using the core board. The other thing to remember is as much as we want our kiddos to use the core board, we need to model using the core board as well. So if I'm asking for a turn, then I'm going to point, want, turn. So watch the video clips and it'll give some examples of how you can practice using them at home. Oh, you want to turn. You want to turn with my marker. Here, look at this. Want, turn. There you go. Nice job. You're having a turn. Addie, I want to trade. I want to trade. Look, friend, I want to trade. Look, want, trade. Good job. Nice trading. Good work. You want to trade. Okay. Blue. What color do you want? Yellow. Nice job. Let's trade. Good work. I like coloring. I like it. Addie, look. Look. Look at my sheep. Look. I colored a sheep. This is really fun. I like this. I like this.